We are Team Daedalus from Texas A&M, and we've designed the lunar drone Icarus One.
Our project centers around NASA's need for technologies that support lunar infrastructure from wear and tear over time.
The structures that NASA want to build on the moon will require inspection and maintenance at heights that astronauts normally can't reach.
In the vacuum of space, traditional drones cannot create lift without air.
Icarus One uses a novel propellant, triboelectrically charged lunar regolith.
Triboelectric charging is the exchange of charge between two materials due to two different electrical properties. For example, rubbing this balloon transfers electrons, creating opposite charge.
Accelerating this material will generate the thrust necessary for flight and maximize in situ resource utilization.
It is abundant, easy to obtain, and doesn't require complex processing.
Beyond lunar maintenance and inspection purposes, Icarus One is capable of entering deep craters to retrieve valuable resources.
By providing a controlled form of aerial mobility on the moon. Icarus One expands what's possible in lunar explorations and operations.
We are Team Daedalus, and
We are NASA Space Command.